Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to stop someone from seeing your location on iPhone and disable location sharing for privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. At the top, select Location Services. Here you have two options. The first option is to completely turn off location services by toggling it off at the top. This stops all apps from accessing your location, including Find My iPhone, Maps, other tracking apps. This is useful if you temporarily don't want anyone tracking your location. But if you only want to stop sharing your location with certain people, scroll down and tap on Share My Location. Then turn off Share My Location. This disables location sharing in the Find My app. You should also check apps like Snapchat, Instagram, or other social apps that may share your live location. Go back to Location Services, tap on the app, and change the permission to Never if needed. And that's it. That's how you can stop people from tracking your location on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips and iOS tutorials.